Let's take a look at our Vonage account or Nexmo account, because Vonage basically acquired that company a few years ago. So for our purposes, very important thing would be the API key, which identifies us as an API user, and API secret. And no worries, by the time you'll be watching this video, I will regenerate those things, so you will not be able to misuse it. And in order to send an SMS, we just need one API method. They do have a library for specific Python library for Vonage, so we can potentially just add that module to our system and use it. I'm going to go a bit more complicated way. I'm going to use actual HTTP request, because my goal is to illustrate how you can create that connection to some system which has HTTP API but doesn't offer language-specific libraries. And so basically it looks like we just need to send an HTTP post request to this URL, and the parameters which they need from us is from text to destination phone number and API key and API secret. That's basically it. So seems easy enough. Let's program the code for our cloud function.